the crane stack panels are combined on the 112 before the rest of the assembly. Connect the bottom of the stack to the top panel. Match the Z on each panel for the starting point. Stop 1 inch from the edge. Arrange the panels to seal along the stack, starting where the previous seal ended. Create the seal through the opposite end of the stack. Match the cap piece with the end of the stack. Start the cap seal by matching the marks on each. Stop the seal 6 to 7 inches from the beginning so that the stack doesn't get caught on the machine. Use a heat gun to close the end of the stack-to-panel seal. Slide the stack over the finishing table so that there is a flat surface for the cap seal. Using a heat gun and roller, finish the seal connecting the cap to the stack. When finished, collapse the stack so that you can access the inside of the cap seal. Run a flashlight along the seal, checking for any escaping light.